Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of Kingston. We are on Washington Boulevard heading towards Mandela Highway. On the left is the entrance to Zadie Gardens, which is our residential area. On the right, those apartments are part of the Calabar area, Calabar Mews. On the left is the entrance to State Gardens. On the right is the Boulevard Baptist Church. And also on the right, we're passing Sovereign Center now. Official name is Sovereign Center at the Boulevard. There's another plaza in Ligonier called Sovereign. Same persons own it, the same company. They have about 5 plazas in Jamaica under the Sovereign name. Okay, at this intersection is Savannah Avenue, and if you take Savannah Avenue, it leads you back to Red Hills Road. On the left is the entrance to Malines Gardens. Straight ahead is the intersection with Malines Road. You turn left, you take Malines Road to Halfway Tree. Turn right, you take Malines Road to the Hewenden area. On the right is the Boulevard Supercenter, which is one of the more popular malls in Jamaica. Very busy mall. On the right, at this intersection, if we turn right, we enter the Pembroke Hall area. name of the road is Ken Hill Drive, and that takes you into the Pembroke Hall area. On the right, that church is Church of the Open Bible. This intersection, if we turn right, we go into the Patrick City or the Patrick Gardens area. At this intersection, if we turn left, we go on to Weymouth Drive, and that takes us into the Washington Gardens area. And Weymouth Drive will take us back out to Spanish Town Road. On the right is the Dehaney Park Plaza. At this intersection, we turn left, we go into the Corville Gardens area. We turn right, we go into the Dehaney Park area. And if we turn right, we go on to Dehaney Drive. On the left, that's the Corville Gardens area.